Hello guys, in this tutorial you are going to learn about how to fetch Corona data into our Android Studio. Actually it is very simple. So let's don't waste the time and move on to the tutorial. So first of all create a new project, select an empty activity, click next button. Let's rename the project. Let's say Corona Tracker and click finish button. Wow, perfect. So we have given two file, one is XML and Java file. So let me first finish the XML layout file. So let me remove that hello world and change the constraint layout to linear layout. Yes. So actually in this tutorial my main aim is to how to fetch Corona data into Android Studio. So I am not willing to waste time on this layout file. So let me create the layout file. So with wrap content, let's say the text as global cases. Actually this is heading, so let's say the sizes, let's say 28 dp. And another one thing is we have to mention the orientation in linear layout. Orientation is vertical and set gravity as center. Yes, nice. So let's change the color. Text color is black. So this is the hexadecimal code for black color. And we also need to make 4 more text views. Let's say this text as total cases, sizes 18 sp, and color, let's change the color by clicking here. Over that we can change to red color. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, nice. So we have created 2 text views. Another we should create 3 more text views. And we have to mention the ID for all the text views. So this is total cases, and this let's say total recover, and we rename this total death. Sorry, yeah, it's total death. Let's rename this here total critical. Actually there are many datas in a JSON format, but as of now for the example purpose I have given only 4 datas. So by seeing this you can also moderate or add or remove all the datas. Okay, yeah, perfect. So layout part is completely finished. So next is Java file. So let's say let's call all the text views, yeah, cases, critical, recover, and death. Yes, cases equal to find view by id or dot cases, and plus control plus D to copy the above lines because it is very useful. Our file is not yet finished, So another one is, so we have to get those four datas and you have to mention this set text. So for that we have to, what we have to do is, first of all we have to add Wally library in our project. So first open the Google Chrome and select Wally Android. Click the first link. Actually my internet connection is damn slow. Yeah, okay. So let's copy these dependencies and move on to our Android Studio project. Go to Gradle files, build Gradle, and just paste this. And click sync now. Perfect. So let's close all things, close Gradle file and move on to main project. Okay, so for that we have to create an object of request queue. Let's type request queue object and Wally dot new request queue, and we have to pass this context. And next we have to declare a variable in a string such as URL equal to let's initialize this. So next is, we have to create an object for string request. String request equal to new string request. So inside this we have to pass 4 parameters. So first parameter is request dot method dot get, because we have to going to get those data in a JSON format. So next, second parameter is we have to pass the URL, but we have just initialized it, not mentioned in our URL. So third parameter is response listener. So final one is new response dot error listener. Yeah, make the semicolon and finish it. So another what you have to do is, we have to add the queue to string request, I mean queue, which is request queue object, queue dot add, inside this pass the string request. Yeah, perfect. So we have to perform these two. So first of all let's find the URL. So actually this URL we have to get, so in this URL only it will contain JSON format which is updated regularly. So that URL is, let me show you, let's come. So type corona.imao.ninja and search. So select the first link. So actually this is the Corona link, I mean Corona API. So from this we will get the regularly. So it is free of cost and it is up to date and it is in JSON formatted. So let's see the example. Scroll down. So here it is the like JSON format. You might have seen, you know, JSON format. So this is the link which I have provided. So if you click that link, we will get those data. So let's copy the link and paste it in our URL. Okay, perfect. So next is, we have to fill on response and on error response. So for that we have to create JSON object, create object in JSON object, new JSON object, in this parameter pass response. Okay, so it will show an error. Just click the JSON object and press Alt plus enter. It is recommended as to pass with try catch block, so surround with try catch block. Yeah, perfect. Okay, continue. So what we have to do is, then that's all. It is very simple. Just call our text view objects cases.setText. So inside this, make us total cases. We should pass JSON object dot get string. So inside this we have to pass the key value bar. We have seen in that JSON format. Actually this is an key and this is an value. So in our cases we have mentioned just four data only: cases, deaths, recovered and critical. So there are a lot of cases, so you can use more than. For that example purpose I have used only 4. So just copy that cases and pass it in it. Perfect. Then press Ctrl plus D 3 more times because we don't want to write again and again. Change the object cases to critical. Last but not least, final is death. Yeah, okay, perfect. So on the error listener you can mention a toast message. Sorry, wait, sorry. Yeah, perfect. So that's all. So let's run the project. Yeah, finish. So before that we have to change the manifest file. Go to manifest and select user permission. Type internet, yeah, because we need internet to access those data. So yeah, perfect. So actually I'm going to run my device because my emulator is not working. So let's run. So yeah, you can see the output here. It has an updated lasers, so you can moderate this for well. And this is my design layout. So if this video get above 500 likes or 500 likes, I can share this source code and update my description. So hope so I will share this. And the next video is about country details. So this country details like this using recycler view. Actually it is very tricky, simple. So those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe now. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.